case of a man on trial for murder after a 2023 fentanyl death resulted in a hung jury.
Twain Carlisle's case was declared a mistrial yesterday. News Channel 8's Alessandra Young spoke with the victim's mother and joins us live from the Hillsborough County Courthouse with how her family is coping with the news tonight. Alessandra.
Paula, you know, as you can imagine, I spoke to the victim's mother, and she said being in that courtroom was very emotional and stressful for both her and her family. And she actually ended up getting an early flight home after this mistrial was declared. Tiffany Thompson flew from Michigan to Tampa to fight for justice for her son, Dane Hogan, who was 23 at the time of his death.
We had to endure the whole trial, go through all of the medical examiner testimony, photographs, details, and now we have to start over and do it again. It's just never ending.
She says the hung jury came down to one single juror.
As his mother, I knew this would not be easy, but I was prepared to come down here and find some resolution. And now we just have to start from scratch.
Her son Dane was found dead in his Tampa home in 2023 after detectives say he unknowingly took fentanyl after a drug deal.
And now he is just a memory because of one man's choices. And, you know, he didn't just hand him fentanyl and killed him. He handed all of us destruction and pain.
In addition to the murder charges in this case, Twain Carlisle faces a separate trial for trafficking fentanyl.
The detectives took my son's phone after they found him dead and did a controlled buy, and they busted him. That's how we have the trafficking charges.
Now, Carlisle pled not guilty to trafficking and the murder charge. Now, the judge will need to set another date for the mistrial, and Thompson says she will show up every time for her child.
He's my son. If I have to endure this pain again to ensure that he has justice and protect people in the future from dying, that's what I will do.
Now, Carlisle's trial on the drug trafficking charge will begin in early September, and I reached out to his defense attorney for a comment. I called his office earlier today and still haven't received a response back. For now, live in Tampa, I'm Alessandra Young, 8 on your side.